Forget about chatbots for a moment. These are the top two most lucrative, feasible, and effective solutions that we've seen. Speed to Lead, the AI receptionist, is changing the game in 2025, and if you are not doing it, I guarantee you your competitors will be. Voice AI is here to reinvent how you engage with your customers in 2025. If you're wondering how to revolutionize your business with AI, this is it. And if you're a business owner or someone who makes decisions in your business and you're seeing everything happen with AI and you're wondering to yourself, how do I use it? How do I leverage this so I don't get left behind? This video is for you. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Paige. I'm one of the co-founders of Amplify Voice, where we are dedicated solely to voice AI and building voice AI solutions for businesses. There are a million different use cases for this technology. Today is about focusing in on the most powerful use cases leveraging voice AI. And these use cases are not only use cases that we've seen in the space, but they're also use cases that we've built and deployed live for clients. So let's dive in. The first use case we'll be looking at that is expected to see massive ROI for businesses is what we like to call speed to lead. And if you're not familiar with this term, when we say speed to lead, we're talking about the amount of time that it takes to reach out and engage with a new prospect after they've indicated at least some level of interest in your products or services. Why does speed to lead matter? With customers and prospects constantly scrolling through their social media feeds, through the internet, our attention flies like that. So when they click submit, it's a moment in time where they're thinking about your product, they're thinking about what you offer, and they're thinking that they might be interested in it. According to some research published by Lead Connect, the first business to reach out to a new prospect has a 78% higher chance of winning that business compared to competitors who reach out even an hour later. Imagine this, you're running paid ads for your product or service, and a new prospect finds your lead form, they fill it out, and they hit submit. A few seconds later, they get a call from a voice agent ready to engage them about the products and services that they're interested in. Let's see what that looks like.
Hi, Paige. I'm Jasmine, AI assistant here to make things very easy for you. LendingTree has paired us as your preferred lender based off of your credit history and your down payment request. Are you okay if I ask you a few questions about your home buying process?
Sure.
That's great to hear, Paige. So tell me, what inspired you to start this home buying journey? What does home ownership mean to you personally?
That's a great question. Well, thinking of starting a family in the next couple of years, so I would love to move to a house to have more space and a yard and a dog and all of that, and really build a home.
Oh, Paige, that sounds like such a beautiful vision. Starting a family, having a yard, a dog running around. That's the dream, isn't it? I can already picture that cozy home you're building in your mind. Do you have a specific area or type of house in mind yet? Or are you still exploring what might be the right fit?
I'm still exploring what might be the right fit, but Portland, Oregon is looking like a good location. And
Portland.
probably in the next 3 to 6 months, would be when we'd be looking to buy.
That's such an exciting time frame, Paige. Portland is such a beautiful city, and I can imagine how wonderful it would be to settle there with your family and future dog. Since you're planning for the next 3 to 6 months, it's a great time to start exploring your options and getting everything lined up. Have you run into anything so far that feels like a challenge or concern in the process? It could be anything like credit, budgeting, or even just figuring out where to start.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not really sure where to start, and I'm not sure that my credit score will be accepted, so I'm a little bit nervous about that.
I completely get that, Paige. Starting the home buying process can feel overwhelming, especially when credit worries are in the mix. But let me tell you this, you're not alone and there's no judgment here. At specialize in helping people navigate exactly these kinds of challenges. Sometimes, even when traditional banks say no, there are creative solutions that can work. Would you like me to set up a time for you to speak with a loan officer who can walk you through options tailored to your situation? They'll make sure you feel confident about your next steps.
Yeah, that sounds great. I'd love to learn a little more. So, how do we do this?
Awesome, Paige. I'm so glad you're ready to explore your options. Let's set up a time for you to connect with one of our specialized loan officers. They'll take the time to understand your unique situation and walk you through personalized solutions. What day and time works best for you to chat? And just to confirm, what time zone are you in?
Yeah, I'm currently in Buenos Aires time zone and I'm available tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Perfect, Paige. I'll set up an appointment for you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Buenos Aires time. I'm excited for you to connect with one of our loan officers. They'll be able to answer all your questions and guide you through the process. Just to confirm, the best number for the loan officer to reach you at is the one you used for this call, right?
Yeah, this is my best number.
Great, Paige. You're all set for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Buenos Aires time. Our loan officer will give you a call then. I'm so excited for you to take this next step toward finding your dream home in Portland. If you have any questions in the meantime, don't hesitate to reach out. Wishing you all the best as you start this exciting journey.
What you just saw is one of our very own Speed to Lead voice agents live in the wild. This Speed to Lead voice agent is one of the most effective and beginner-friendly solutions that you can implement in your business, especially if you don't really know where to start. If you're running paid ads, this is it. You gotta get there first. Faster and quicker response rates equal higher conversions. And this is just the beginning. We can level the system up by building in automated SMS or automated emails. These are just two examples of how you can build on top of your voice agent system so that you can reach and engage prospects. Not only the fastest, but also in a way that reflects your brand, that's personalized to the customer. And from there, the conversation can escalate to a human to close the sale. That is Speed to Lead, and this use case demonstrates how voice AI is taking Speed to Lead to the next level. So if you're thinking to yourself right now that this is something that you could see working really well for your business, connect with us. There's a link in the description below where you can submit your project and we'll reach out and see if it's a good fit to work together. This next use case also has insane ROI potential, and that is the AI receptionist. The AI receptionist is exactly what it sounds like. It's an AI voice agent that is able to handle inbound phone calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It can answer the phone, it can answer general questions or FAQs that a prospect or client might be calling in to ask you about. It can also route or transfer calls to a given department based on what the prospect says that they need. And it can even take messages and pass those messages on in the form of an SMS or an email, depending on how you want to build your custom voice AI agent. And let's not forget to mention the impact that this has on your employees' productivity. A study published by UC Irvine found that on average, it takes about 23 minutes for an employee to refocus on the task at hand after an interruption, aka a phone call. 5 phone calls a day, 10 phone calls a day times 23 minutes, you do the math. This is a lot of wasted time, especially when it's your humans' time who are on the phone answering the same questions 10, 20, 50, 100 times over and over and over again, and that is the perfect task for the AI receptionist. According to some studies conducted by Forrester, 85% of callers won't call back if their first call goes unanswered. So you can save yourself from having to staff someone 24 hours a day. Plug your AI receptionist in so that they can handle any inquiries that come after hours, and empower the human employees on your team to focus on more meaningful and more complex tasks that actually move the lever in your business. So right now, we're gonna experience an interaction with one of our AI agents that we built for a client as a basic entry-level solution to help them manage inbound phone calls and encourage their employees to stay focused on their tasks at hand. Let's check it out.
Hello, this is Reese, the digital assistant from. How can I assist you today?
Hey Reese, yeah, I'm looking to get a hold of Michael. Is he in by chance?
Thanks for reaching out. Michael is currently unavailable. Could I take down your information and a message to pass along to him? He'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Yeah, this is Paige. I'm waiting on an update from the contract he was supposed to send me, so I wanted to just see where we were at.
Got it, Paige. I'll make sure to pass along the message to Michael regarding the update on the contract. Could you please confirm your last name for me?
It's Goodlet.
Thank you, Paige Goodlet. Could you please confirm the name of your company or organization?
Yeah, I'm calling from Amplify Voice.
Thank you, Paige. And is the best number to reach you the one you're calling from, 704-666-3543?
Yes, that is the best number. Thank you.
Great, thank you. I'll make sure Michael gets your message about the contract update and he will get back to you as soon as possible. Is there anything else you'd like me to add to the message?
No, that's it. I appreciate it. What we experienced just now is an interaction with an agent that is live. It's for one of our clients. Please excuse the details that are bleeped out. But it showcases what a basic implementation of this technology looks like. Whether you're a small business working with a dynamic team of employees or a larger business that manages a large volume of inbound phone calls, the AI receptionist is a great solution to start with. And again, this is just the beginning. Then you might decide, hey, you know what? Wouldn't it be cool if the AI agent can book appointments with clients on my calendar? We can do that. Wouldn't it be cool if they get a follow-up SMS text giving them a little summary of the call and some confirmation details about what happened? We can do that. One of my goals in this video is to offer you a basic place to start and offer you a snapshot into the future of where this technology can grow and how it can grow with your business. So in 2025, these are the top 2 most lucrative, feasible, and effective solutions that we've seen, not only in the space, but also with our clients and the products that we're working with live. If you're someone who's excited about AI and you're a creative problem solver, it's possible that your brain is already spinning at 100 miles a minute, thinking about all the different ways that we can implement this technology. And we're definitely gonna see more use cases roll out. But these 2 are what we see as most effective right now. I wanna leave you with a little glimpse into the future. And I have 3 words for you: real-time API. The real-time API was just recently released by OpenAI. And in the last month, we've seen prices come down from $1 a minute to 50 cents a minute. They're going to keep dropping, which means that as this technology continues to roll out, it's going to become more accessible and open up a whole new range of use cases for voice AI specifically. So if you don't already have the ChatGPT app and you haven't already played with their voice feature, I highly recommend it. I actually made a video about how I used the ChatGPT voice feature before the real-time API was released and how I used it to help me get better at my Italian. And if you haven't already, check out this video by Alejo, where he gets deep and nitty-gritty into the real-time API, what it is, how to use it, and the difference that it's making in the voice AI space. What is the real-time API? No transcription, no text, speech to speech. And this is what that looks like. Hello there.
Hey there, I'm Ava from Amplify Voice. I love that you're curious about voice AI. You're actually chatting with an AI voice agent right now. How cool is that? What's your name?
My name's Paige.
Hi, Paige. It's wonderful to meet you. I'm Ava, and I'm really excited to chat with you about how voice AI can transform your business. What sparked your curiosity about AI solutions today?
Well, I'm hearing a lot about it and I don't want to get left behind, so
It sounds-
I'm curious how I might use it in my business.
That's a great reason to explore it. Voice AI can be a game changer in so many ways. Could you share a bit about your business and what you're looking to achieve? I'd love to hear more about your goals.
Yeah, so I'm a real estate agent and I get a lot of phone calls, and they're usually all really important, but I can't always answer the phone because if I'm showing houses, then I need to be present with my clients.
Absolutely. Being present with your clients is key in real estate. Imagine having a voice AI that can handle those important calls for you, providing information, scheduling viewings, and even answering common questions, all while you're focused on your clients. How does that sound as a way to enhance your business?
That would be pretty cool. I mean, could I have a voice agent that also sets appointments for me? So if someone calls and I can't answer, then they can book some time with me later?
Absolutely. A voice agent can do just that. It can handle appointment scheduling, rescheduling, and even send confirmations to your clients. It's like having a personal assistant that's available 24/7. Would you be interested in seeing how this could be tailored to fit your real estate business?
Yeah, super interested.
Fantastic. I'd love to arrange a discovery call for you. Our team can show you exactly how a voice agent could work for your real estate business. When would be a good time for you to chat with them? And what's the best number to reach you on?
So that's Ava. If you want to go talk with her yourself, you can find her on our website. It's amplifyvoice.ai. And if you've made it this far in the video, chances are you see the massive potential for voice AI. And as the real-time API gets better and the models get better, we're going to see increased ability to detect things like emotion, have speech-to-speech conversations, and even open up doors for multi-channel communication. And that's exactly why I wanted to give you a little taste of what the real-time API looks like in Ava, because the potential is endless. But we have to start somewhere. For now, speed to lead, AI receptionist. Hit us up if you want to work with us. Please like this video, show us some love. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll be releasing an upcoming video on Hume AI, and I'm super excited to explore the use cases that come out of that. Let's keep innovating and let's stay human. We'll see you next time.